The maintenance required soon light on your 2012-2017 Toyota Camry indicates it's time for an oil change or scheduled maintenance. The maintenance required soon light on your 2012-2017 Toyota Camry indicates it's time for an oil change or scheduled maintenance based on mileage and driving conditions. Resetting the light after maintenance is crucial to recalibrate the system. The core concept is tied to Toyota's Oil Maintenance Reminder System, OMRS, which estimates oil life. The reset doesn't replace actual maintenance, so always combine it with an oil change to prevent engine wear. Neglecting this light can lead to oil degradation and costly repairs. You'll need no tools. To reset the maintenance required soon light on your 2012-2017 Toyota Camry, follow these steps carefully. First, ensure your engine is completely off before proceeding. Next, turn the ignition key to the on position, where accessories are powered, but the engine remains off. Locate the trip/odometer reset button on your instrument cluster. This button is typically found near the speedometer. Press and hold the trip odometer reset button. Keep holding until you see maint REQD flashing or appearing on the display. Once it flashes, release the button and then press and hold it again for about 5 to 10 seconds. The display should reset, showing 100%, or the maintenance required soon light will clear, indicating a successful reset. Important safety notes: a weak battery can prevent the reset from working. Also, remember that resetting the system does not replace changing the oil or performing actual maintenance. This is just an estimate to encourage routine upkeep.